pinakbet using ground pork. First, what you need to do is to cook the pork first in little water, boil it until it's dried up and renders its own oil. Once the water is dried up, push it back and then saute the onion, garlic, and tomatoes. Add water about 1 to 2 cups. Add bagoong and dissolve the 2 to 3 tablespoon bagoong alamang, the one in bottled, and then let it simmer. And then add the assorted veggies and just simmer. That's it. Once the kalabasa is tender or soft, you can turn it off. It's ready for serving. And oh, don't forget to season it with pepper. The saltiness, just adjust it if needed. Dahil meron na po itong bagoong, you won't need to add salt anymore. You just have to adjust the taste as needed. So, ayan, malapit nang maluto yung... It's almost 10 minutes now and maluluto na yung kalabasa ko. Yes, I love it. I love veggies. Mas masarap po talaga kapag ang pagkain natin hinahaluan natin araw-araw ng gulay. It helps our tummy or it helps our body for the fibers that we need each and every day. Kailangan may fibers tayo sa katawan from the gulay. That's why it's important na palagi tayong may gulay na kinakain sa ating daily food intake. Napaka-importante po ng gulay dahil ito ang tumutulong sa katawan natin mag-wash out ng mga toxins because of its fibers, especially sa tiyan natin. Sumasama yung fibers kasama ng mga toxins that we eat. Siya yung tumutulong para ma-wash out natin siya sa katawan natin or yung nasa tiyan natin. Now that it's almost cooked, we will season it with pepper. Importante po ang pepper when cooking dahil ito talaga yung nagbibigay ng masarap na kick sa ating ulam. Without pepper, it will taste bland even if it's salty. Ito yung nagbibigay ng kakaibang kick sa mga lutuing ulam natin, ang ground pepper. So, wag niyo pong kakalimutang maglagay ng pepper every time you're cooking. This is a very essential ingredients sa mga lutong bahay natin. Yan ang nagpapasarap. Konti lang kasi kapag nasobrahan naman, it will become a little bit on the spicy side. There you go. Luto na ang aking pinakbet or oops, hindi pa gano. Let's wait a minute or 2 para maluto yung ating kalabasa. Because I want my kalabasa to be really soft. Dahil meron po akong bata sa bahay, dapat malambot ang kalabasa. Para madudurog ko yan sa kanin ng little boy ko. Actually, okay lang naman sa akin kahit hindi crispy yung mga gulay. Mas gusto ko yung madali siyang nguyain. I will try to taste it kung okay na yung alat. Kung hindi pa, edi dadagdagan ng asin. Lagyan natin ng konting, ito po yung ginagamit ko, yung garlic salt ng Badia. Sobrang masarap siya sa kahit na anong ulam. I make sure that I always use this. Yan ang ultimate seasoning na all natural. Sasarap ang luto without all the MSG. Masarap talaga siya. There you go. Tingnan natin, one last check kung malambot na yung kalabasa. There you go. Okay na po yung kalabasa ko. It's already cooked now. So, happy cooking! Enjoy your lunch! Bye!